Christine Darrow, and it's time for another episode of Kids Grab and Go. This is an opportunity for you to come into the Bettendorf Public Library and pick up a bag of supplies to make a fun craft each month. For the month of October, we are making coffee filter bags. We make about 250 bags, so get yours while supplies last. I've got mine right here, so let's see what's inside. First of all, we have a coffee filter. Don't worry if yours is a little crumpled. It's gonna get crumpled in the end, so it's fine if it's a little wrinkled when you bring it out of the bag. We have a black clothespin. We have two markers. One of them should be pretty dark in color, so this one's brown, and this one is purple, so you'll have a brighter kind of color. You'll notice when these colors mix that they're gonna make more colors. Also, you should have a straw. This is what is kind of an easy way to distribute the water that's going to blend those marker colors together. Last but not least, we have instructions that are written as well. So you can follow these or this video to make this project. Now that we have our supplies, let's get started.
The first step to making your coffee filter bat is to decorate the coffee filter using the washable markers. I recommend placing your coffee filter on some paper towels, like I have, or some other protective surface. The markers and the water will bleed through the coffee filter. Then you can draw on the coffee filter however you would like. Use stripes, spots, or just squiggles. The colors will blend in the end anyway. The next step is to add water to the coffee filter. I like using a straw and a small container of water. You can also use a spray bottle of water if you happen to have one at home. If you use the straw, just dip one end into the water and then press your finger onto the other end of the straw. This will keep the water in the straw until you release your finger over the top of the coffee filter. Repeat this process until your coffee filter is sufficiently damp and the colors have begun to blend. The following step requires patience because you need to wait for the coffee filter to dry. This could take several hours. I recommend just leaving it out overnight and finishing your project the next day. Once your coffee filter is dry, you will fold it in half twice. Then, take a pair of scissors and cut a shape that resembles bat wings, something like a reverse scallop shape. Then unfold the coffee filter once. You can fold down the bottom point like this. Then pinch the middle of the coffee filter and place it between the clip of the clothespin. You can adjust the wings as you want, and then you're done.
We hope you enjoy making your own coffee filter bags. Remember, the supplies for this craft can be picked up in the youth area during library hours. Next month, we will be making a paper cup squirrel for the month of November. Until then, bye!